Hello there, subscribers, and welcome back to a new episode of Separate and Cypress channel. Today we get the Hammond Collection Brachiosaurus, and we will be comparing it to a Lego Brachiosaurus and a Dino Rival Brachiosaurus. So let's grab the box. Alright, so here it is. It's really big, it's huge. Wow. There you go. It has a really nice packaging. Really cool box. Let's check it right there. Okay. It's from the first Jurassic Park. Okay. Let's check on the bottom. Okay, it says to check out what's inside Mr. DNA. It has the Jurassic Park logo and the face of the Brachiosaurus. Let's check the back. We have Dr. Hammond, Dr. Sattler, and Dr. Wait, I can't even see that. I forgot his name already. Okay. Alright. Nice box. As you can see, they compared with the T-Rex, the Hammond Collection Tyrannosaurus. So it is way bigger. There's the sizing of it. Okay, you can bend the neck too. So you can see that. Alright, so let's unbox it. Alright. Alright. Alright, here he is now. Oh wow. It's really huge. There you go. And there's the Dino Rival over there. So this thing is way better. It has more articulation. You can move the legs, unlike the Dino Rival that we cannot move it. See? Can't. Its feet can move. This one doesn't. You can twist the neck as well. And the best part, look at the eye. It is actually glossy. Look at that. See? Just like the Tyrannosaurus. You can move the mouth. The neck can be moved. Unlike the Dino Rival, we cannot do that. We cannot. This is the Dino Rival. Can't. Just the mouth. Alright, we can twist the neck as well. Body looks good. The tail looks awesome. You can move it. The only thing we don't have now is that Legacy Collection, the one with the teal color over here, and the has a black spot over here. It's hard to find. It's not on Target or Walmart or Best Buy. If you go to Amazon, it's always sold out. Okay. So yeah, it is huge. Alright, okay. There you go, our two gigantic sauropods and the Lego Brachiosaurus over there. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you again for all the support, the likes and the subscription. There will be links on the bottom of this video when you click the description. So yeah. So once again, I'd like to say thank you again and have a great day, you guys. Bye for now.